Hey, I took my chances last night where they said there's only going to be 10% chance of rain. And so the 1 in 10 chance of rain, I got it. It being the plywood is dried out mostly. I'm going to belt sand, and I got a small square orbital sander to try to get rid of the burrs, get this thing slightly prepped, and then hopefully by the time I'm done sanding, top and bottom, sun's supposed to come out a little bit. Hopefully that'll dry the top. It was really only a drizzle, so I think I'm still within the range of acceptable application for the rock solid coating. If this is too wet, I might just start working on finishing the railing up instead. I would prefer to get this done first and then finish the rest, because this will have time to cure, and that would be ideal for the next few days, because by midweek it's supposed to be pouring rain again, and I don't want this stuff exposed to all that rain. Plywood's not great in the rain, to be quite honest. It swells and it splits. So if I can get this thing sealed up pretty well, I'll be pretty happy with that. So I left a few spots open. I think the other coating will fill in just fine. While that hardens, I'm not going to hit that yet with the sander until it has, I'd say, at least an hour to harden before I'm going to just start going at it with the belt sander. For two reasons. One, I want to make sure I don't goop up my belt sander, and I also don't want to rip it out of the gap and have to redo it. So I've got all the prep work done now. I've sanded everything down. I've blown it off. I've brushed it off. The liquid nail right now is, I think, suitable for coating. I'm going to do that next. And after I do the perimeter, I'm going to go back and I'm going to roll on the rest of the coating. I'm going to do the bottom first, because if I make a mistake, at least it's down there. And it also gives a little extra time here for this to cure some more before I go throwing down some product that has a solvent in it. Check out how thick this stuff is. It's like a Frosty from Wendy's. Thick. So the hope is that this will be thick enough and coat this stuff well enough that we don't have to worry about water or ice this year. Wow. It's like dipping your paintbrush in the peanut butter. I wonder what sauce you could do to come up with something with this stuff. I like to put my paintbrushes in plastic bags to keep them from getting too dry, just in case I need to bring it back out and finish up a few more jobs on it. So I'm going to just set this one aside for now. It's not a permanent solution, but temporarily at least. You do lose some of it because it sticks so much. Like, that's supposed to be the cup that's dipping in and pouring it out, so I don't know. Now it's time to roll it on with Rust-Oleum's patented secret roller. Honestly, it just looks like a giant loofah on a roll. It's a 3/8 inch nap, but it is bristly. Very bristly, and this is what they recommend you use in order to pick up their product and apply it. I think I'm gonna roll to the middle, all the way across, go to the other side, and then roll the other half towards the house. That is crazy thick. No. Okay, so far I don't like the texture. Let's see if it flattens out a little bit. I do not like how it is coating the screw heads. Time to jump ship, grab my paintbrush, didn't like that. Turns out every screw head's not getting filled enough, so I'm going to get the heads of these screws with some deck stain in it. Let's go with a regular foam roller and see how this does instead of the other one. Yeah, I like that better. Regular foam nap roller 3/8 inch. I like it a lot better than the 3/8 inch nap roller that Rust-Oleum recommends. It's their brand.